Leaving Selma, you will soon enter the Oakmulgee district of the Talladega National Forest. The terrain becomes more rolling and the soil changes to a clay mixture which can become very slippery during the rainy seasons. Stop at Heiberger Grocery for a true southern experience with its small lunchtime grill and adjacent deer processing operation. After some rolling and narrow jeep roads and a water crossing, continue eastward to Thorsby, Alabama. Following a series of undulating county roads, a prime stretch of dirt brings you to a historic fire tower atop 1,000-foot-high Flagg Mountain, signifying the southern beginning of the Appalachian Mountain Range. The nearby terminus of the Pinhoti Trail connects backpackers with the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. Leaving Flagg Mountain, you have the option of choosing an alternate harder section known as Red Sand Road with seasonally slippery mud trails and deep ruts before arriving in Sylacauga, Alabama.